Hello, foodies. Ready to master the art of a healthy omelette in just 2 minutes? Let's do this. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 eggs, half a bell pepper, a handful of spinach, a small tomato, a quarter of an onion, and a pinch of salt and pepper. For a little extra flavor, grab a bit of feta cheese. Now for the tools. You'll need a mixing bowl, a whisk, a non-stick frying pan, and a spatula. Got everything? Great. Step 1. Crack the 3 eggs into your mixing bowl. Whisk them up until they're well combined. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Step 2. Chop up your veggies. Dice the bell pepper, tomato and onion. Make sure they're in small bite-sized pieces. Spinach, just give it a rough chop. Step 3. Preheat your non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Once hot, add a little olive oil or cooking spray. Toss in your chopped veggies. Saute them for about 2 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. Step 4. Pour your whisked eggs over the sautéed veggies. Let the mixture cook undisturbed for a minute, then gently lift the edges with your spatula, allowing the uncooked eggs to flow underneath. Step 5. Sprinkle some feta cheese over the top. Fold the omelette in half and cook for another minute until the cheese is melted. And there you have it. A delicious, healthy omelette packed with veggies and flavor, perfect for a quick breakfast or brunch. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.